In this video, we're going to show you exactly how to connect Folk CRM with Gmail, making it easier for you to integrate your email and CRM in just a few quick steps. Whether you're new to Folk CRM or looking to streamline your workflow, this tutorial will guide you through the process, so stick around till the end for an exclusive bonus. First off, connecting Folk CRM with Gmail is a game changer. You'll be able to automate communication, track emails, and manage your contacts all in one place without having to jump between different apps. Folk CRM allows you to centralize everything from communication to lead management, and integrating it with Gmail makes the whole experience even more seamless. Now, let's dive into the steps. The first thing you'll want to do is open your Folk CRM account. If you don't have one, you can sign up using the link in the description below and get access to an exclusive, extended free trial that includes extra bonuses. Once you're logged in, go to the Settings section. This is where the magic happens. From there, you'll see a tab labeled Integrations. Click on that and you'll find Gmail as one of the options. Next, click on the Gmail integration. Folk CRM will ask for permission to access your Gmail account. This is completely secure, and Folk CRM will only use the information necessary to connect your email for tracking and communication purposes. Click Allow and follow the prompts to log into your Gmail account. After you've logged in, the system will sync your Gmail with Folk CRM. Now, your emails will automatically be logged into the CRM. This means every email you send or receive will be attached to the relevant contact in Folk CRM. You can easily track your conversations, make notes, and even create tasks based on email threads. One of the powerful features of this integration is that it allows you to send and receive emails directly from within Folk CRM. This saves time and keeps everything organized in one place. Whether you're sending outreach emails or following up with prospects, you'll be able to do it without leaving the CRM interface. But that's not all. The integration also enables email templates, so you can save time on repetitive tasks. Create a set of templates for common responses or outreach emails, and then simply choose one when sending an email, making communication even faster. Additionally, Folk CRM also allows you to manage tasks related to emails. If you need to follow up or set reminders for important conversations, you can do so directly from your inbox. This keeps everything actionable and ensures you never miss a follow-up. Now, one thing to remember is that you can also use Gmail labels and filters within Folk CRM. This makes it easier to organize your communications further, set up specific labels for different projects or contact types, and Folk CRM will pull that data directly into your dashboard, keeping everything in line. If you're a business owner or freelancer, you'll especially appreciate the level of customization that comes with this integration. It helps you maintain control over your email workflows, while still allowing you to take full advantage of the powerful features within Folk CRM. To summarize, connecting Folk CRM with Gmail is simple, fast, and incredibly useful for improving your email management. You get a complete view of your communication history, automate emails, and save valuable time every day. And remember, if you haven't signed up yet, use the link below to get started with Folk CRM and access the exclusive bonus and extended free trial. So if you're looking to enhance your email workflow and take full advantage of Folk CRM's powerful features, make sure you give this integration a try. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the extended trial link below to get started with all the benefits.